Welcome, boys and girls, to our daily math meeting. The first thing we're going to do with our math meeting is talk about our calendar. Now, we are in the month of August, and we've gone through quite a bit of the month already. Yesterday was Sunday, the 23rd of August. So today is Monday, August 24th. How many days of school have we been here? Boy, is this the easiest one we're going to be doing all year long. Today is the first day of school. Now, if we were going to put this into what I call our number splitter, which is showing the place value of a number, we would start with the ones box. And up here we can see we have a 100 block, some 10 rods, and some 1 units. Sometimes I call those 1 cubes. So because it's only the first day of school, we are going to be using our 1 units. So we're going to put 1 unit or 1 cube in the ones place. So boys and girls, today was an easy math meeting. The first week of school, we're going to kind of take it slow and only deal with how many days of school we have and the calendar. Each week, we're going to add a little bit more to our math meeting. So each week is going to get just a little bit more challenging. So today was an easy day, and tomorrow we'll pick up where we left off.